Growing on YouTube is easier than you think. Welcome to the first episode of our ultimate guide to YouTube success. Have you ever looked at massive channels and wondered how they did it? Let me tell you a secret right now. Growing on YouTube is actually not as hard as it seems. It is all about knowing the right formulas. In this series, we are going to pull back the curtain and teach you all the tactics you need to skyrocket your channel. We will leave no stone unturned. If you truly want to make money on YouTube, turn your passion into a profitable career, and build a loyal audience, you need to listen to the instructions in this video very carefully. What we are about to share aren't just random theories. These exact methods, strategies, and explanations have been applied and proven by the biggest YouTubers in the world countless times. The roadmap is already drawn. You just need to follow it. Are you ready to crack the algorithm and start your journey to the top? Let's dive in! We shared some incredibly detailed information in our last video, but let's be completely honest. Because we didn't apply our own advice, that video didn't take off the way we wanted. So, consider this a quick recap combined with completely new details. If you want to dive deeper into that previous video, just click the card in the top right corner. One of the absolute most important rules for growing on YouTube is catching the snowball effect. For this to work, your views and shares need to be high. But how do you actually achieve that? Contrary to what many believe, posting a video every single day might not work anymore. In fact, uploading a new video before your current one has gained momentum can seriously hurt your channel. Let's say your video gets 100 views. Because that initial engagement is low, your next video might suffer the exact same fate. Here is why. YouTube tests your content with your subscribers first. If they like it and watch it, YouTube pushes it to a broader audience. If they don't, your video might stop getting recommended, even to your own subscribers. In this situation, the best thing you can do is wait. Let a video properly gather views before uploading the next one. If a video's views completely stall, and you are currently uploading 2 or 3 times a week, you need to drop that down to just 1 video a week. And here is the most crucial part. You must upload videos that actually have a high potential to be watched. That means diving deep into trend research and consistently producing content around what people are actively searching for. Let's move on to the real game changers: thumbnails, titles, and tags. These are very often the main reasons behind massive views. If you have created a great piece of content, you must package it just as well. You need to give the exact same amount of effort and importance to your metadata as you do to the video itself. To really grab attention and boost your click-through rate, CTR, focus on creating high-contrast, Mr. Beast-style thumbnails that instantly stand out. Take a look at the screen right now. Our previous video had huge impressions, but the clicks were incredibly low because our thumbnail was simply terrible. As a result of that bad performance, we aren't getting those impressions anymore. The ultimate goal is to catch that initial momentum. With the right SEO tags, a compelling title, and an eye-catching thumbnail, once you catch that wave, the views will start pouring in entirely on their own.